Tax return season is here, and this year, instead of buying yourself stuff that's just gonna sit there, I say it's time to make your money make you money. I'm not talking about crypto or getting rich quick. I'm talking about you investing in yourself and finally getting your t-shirt business started up. One of my favorite things about running a heat press customization business is the independence and the flexibility that it brings. The extra income has freed up my family to do extra things. It's not always roses, but in the good seasons, it's helped pay for fancy dinners and vacations. Some of my friends have even been able to grow their heat press businesses into their full-time careers. Again, I'm not trying to sell you a get-rich-quick scheme, but what I have experienced and witnessed over the years is that you usually get out of your small business what you put into it. What makes heat press customization unique is that you have a lot more control and flexibility over what products you offer and how you fulfill orders. In keeping on that theme of flexibility, there are different ways that you can make money with a heat press. 3 of the most popular print methods are heat transfer vinyl, sublimation, and white toner DTF. And if you're looking to start your business with any of these methods, we have you covered with our business bundles. Heat transfer vinyl, also known as HTV, is by far the most popular print method for startup t-shirt businesses for a good reason. It's versatile, affordable, durable, and it provides a solid foundation for any business. For HTV, you can get started with the Silhouette Cameo 5 Deluxe bundle. You'll have everything you need to start customizing t-shirts, hoodies, and other garments with heat transfer vinyl. If you want to start with equipment that's larger and better suited for higher output situations, you can check out the HPN Inkjet and Vinyl Heat Transfer Package for t-shirts. This bundle has options for both the cutter and the heat press, including industry favorites like the GCC Expert 224LX and HPN Signature Series 16x20-inch auto open heat press. With literally thousands of different substrates available, finding the right sublimation starter kit can be a little overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered with packages for customizing drinkware, flat items, or both. Our CraftPro Sublimation Bundles have everything you need, including sample blanks for practice, plus your choice of either of the world-famous Sawgrass SG500 or SG1000 printers. For all of the pro shops out there looking for maximum versatility, we have the Sawgrass SG1000 Sublimation Printer with signature mug and 16-inch by 20-inch heat press bundle. Mugs, tumblers, shot glasses, t-shirts, photo panels, I mean the options with this bundle are nearly endless and definitely won't fit in this video. For the most versatility of any printer, you'll want to check out our white toner DTF bundles. You can make full color transfers for any garment without weeding or cutting in just a few minutes. Plus, you can customize uncoated hard surface products in any color. And not only that, but white toner printers require nearly zero maintenance. Set yourself up for success with the Uninet IColor 560 White Toner DTF Printer Advanced Bundle. With this bundle, you'll be starting your customization business on very solid ground. You'll even have the option to expand into new territory with United's selection of optional toners. We've of course saved the best and the biggest for last. If you want to future-proof your customization business with the best, most reliable products available, look no further than the Crio 8432 WDT White Toner DTF Printer Pro Bundle. I'm not going to tell you how to spend your tax return or savings, and I'll be the first to say that there's nothing wrong with treating yourself. But by investing in yourself, you could build a business that generates regular returns. So instead of using your money for a one-time trip or purchase, how about you make your money make you money? Put that tax return to work with one of Heat Press Nation's business bundles. Then get yourself to work selling t-shirts, mugs, or whatever brings home the bacon. If you need a little more help finding the right business bundle for you, or building out your own custom kit, give us a call at 800-215-0894. Our team of friendly MyExpert representatives are ready to listen to your needs and make the best recommendation for your business. You can also find these bundles and our full selection of heat transfer equipment at heatpressnation.com.